Hi, I'm Steph Evans and here's another course bite from our Intro to Non-Linear FEA with MSC Apex online course. Initial conditions such as bolt modelling and preload are often vital in ensuring appropriate non-linear solution response. Many non-linear analyses are based around structures with bolted joints, fastener preload and interference fits. Apex uses dedicated functions to simplify both the modelling and analysis of these aspects as initial conditions before the main structural loads are applied. Initial conditions can be used to stabilise part behaviour, often using clamping forces and friction before applying additional load. You'll learn the key techniques to ensure robust analysis output. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses and we hope to see you on a course really soon.